Hello kids! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I draw pizza for you. Yummy yummy, it's so tasty. Do you like pizza? Let's draw it. First of all, the circle. Also, draw the slice of pizza. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I like pizza so much. My mouth is filled with water. I ate pizza yesterday. When you the pizza in that days. Wow, the drawing is so amazing and beautiful. Our drawing is almost ready. It's very easy and simple drawing. You also try this at your home. I like coloring, so I color this drawing. Do you like coloring? Let's coloring the pizza. My favorite color is orange. Let's use the orange in pizza. You can use different colors in the pizza. Orange color looks so beautiful. I also used the yellow color in it, because yellow is also my favorite color. Yellow color is also looks beautiful. Yummy yummy, it's so tasty and delicious. Wow, my drawing is almost completed.